Hello everyone. So let's see the 31st problem. See, first of all, y equal to 3x square minus 2x is given as the hint. Okay, now here 3x square minus 2x already it is there, but here 3x square plus 2x, so that plus we have to make it minus. So how we are making? Just by writing 3x square and 2x under the brackets. If you write in the bracket, this plus will become minus because outside already minus is there. Okay, again if you open the bracket, then minus into minus plus you will get. So here you're writing like that. Now after that, phi as it is. Now here 3x square minus 2x, in place of that you're writing y. Then under the brackets, this is 6 minus again 3x square minus 2x is y, that you're substituting. Now in the next step, you see here, this is y of 6 minus y. Okay, 5 minus y into 6 minus y you don't have. Just with this bracket you're having y outside, so this y only should be multiplied with this bracket 6 minus y. Okay, like 5 minus y again in the brackets, then 6 minus y. So in that way 5 6 are, then 5 y's are, y 6 are, y y's are, like that you're not doing. Just you are multiplying this 6 minus y with y. Okay, so 5 first of all as it is, then minus this y into 6 will be minus 6y, then minus into minus plus y into y will be y square. Okay, so just we are doing what? We are multiplying y into 6 and then y into y. Okay, so here you will get this part, 5 minus y into 6 6y, then minus into minus plus y into y square. Okay, now 5 and y square, this first term with the last term. So you're just multiplying this first term with the last term, so 5y square you will get. Now 5y square means you have to search for the terms in such a way that you should whenever you are doing subtraction or addition, you should get this, and when you multiply you should get this one. So it is simple, 5 ones are 5 only, because 5 and 1, when you write minus 5 and minus 1, you will get here minus 6 only. Okay, so what you are doing for here, minus 5 minus 1, minus 5 minus 1 you're writing. First of all, 5 minus 6y square plus y square. Okay, as this is y square is at the last term, we are just using at first. Okay, it's not compulsory that you have to write first, because anyhow 5 into y square also will give you 5y square. If you rearrange, if you write y square first and 5 last, then also first and last term 5 in y square into 5 y square only. In any way you'll get 5y square only. So if you want you can write, otherwise you can just proceed from here only. Now minus 6y you're writing, you're splitting this minus 6y as minus 5y minus y. Okay, like how you are doing factorization in every problem, in the same way. So minus 5 minus y you got, then y square and 5y. From these two terms you are taking common, then from these two terms you are taking common. So y square and 5y means y you are taking common. Okay, after taking y common, here y will be remaining, then minus as it is. After taking y, 5 is remaining here. Okay, then again here y and 5. From this, can you take anything common? No. Here y is there, here 5 is there. Single term, so nothing is common. Let us take one common. When nothing will be there, 1 you have to take. Okay, so minus 1 you are writing, 1 you are taking common. Then inside the bracket again the same thing, y and 5. But here this plus will become minus. Why? Because we are writing under the brackets. Before the bracket we are having already minus, that's why. Okay, now this y minus 5, y minus 5, again both are common, so let us take y minus 5, and whatever is remaining y minus 1, let us write like this. Okay, so now actually y value you know very well, which is already given in the hint, that is nothing but y equal to 3x square minus 2x. So in place of y you are substituting 3x square minus 2x. So this y means 3x square minus 2x, then minus 1 as it is, then into, again in place of y 3x square minus 2x, then minus 5. Okay, so after that, here again you can see here, first term you have to factorize it. Okay, this is quadratic equation, this is quadratic equation, so you have to factorize. So 3x square and 1, so you will get 3x square only. When you multiply you should get 3, and when you add or subtract you should get minus 2. So what can you write? 3 ones are 3, but minus 3 plus 1 will give you minus 2. That you have to check for. Okay, minus 3 plus 1 will give you minus 2. so that only you are writing. You are splitting minus 2x as minus 3x plus x. Okay, minus 3x plus x you are writing, then minus 1. Okay, as it is. Now from this two terms you have to take common, from this two terms you have to take common. Okay, 3x square and 3x is there, so 3x you can take common, then whatever is remaining x minus 1 you have to write, then plus, here nothing is common, so just you are writing 1, then x minus 1. Okay, in the same way for this expression also. Okay, here first term with the last term, so 3 5s are 15, x square will be there. Now you have to multiply, you have to get the terms in such a way, when you multiply you will get this, and when you add or subtract you should get this one. So 15 means 5 3s are 15, but when you will get minus 2, when you will do minus 5 and plus 3, minus 5 and plus 3 will give you minus 2. Okay, so you are splitting minus 2x as minus 5 and plus 3. So again, after doing this two terms you take, from these two terms you can take x common, so 3x minus 5 will be remaining, then plus, from this you can't take anything common, so 1 will be there, then 3x minus 5. Okay, so now what is common? X minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1, here 3x minus 5, 3x minus 5. So you have to write next step as x minus 1 already common, then after that this 3x plus 1 will be remaining, then here also 3x minus 5, 3x minus 5 common, then x plus 1 will be remaining. So these are the factors of the given expression. Okay, I hope you guys understood this.